Hi crocheters of the world, this is a tutorial full of color, really nice, with a granny slanted stitch that I presented you in another tutorial. This is the way you work it straight, and at the end of this tutorial you have the end card clickable of this one. And now in this tutorial actually I want to show you, look at it, look at this beauty. I want to show you how to work this one. It's really easy. And let us begin with the magic loop and 3 single crochets in it plus 2 more double crochets. This is the first group of 3. Then chain 3 and we go ahead and work like for a normal granny, classic granny square. We go and work our first round, and from the second there will be some small things, changes, 1 2 3, and this is the last. Now I want to switch to another, to change color in each round, and I want to show you how I do this. First of all, chain 1, this is how we will end our join our rounds. Chain 1, yarn over, insert hook into the 3rd chain, and just I try to insert hook like this, but I can't. So, and double crochet. So this is how we will switch. Now to switch to change the color, I do like this. Pinch here, and just want to undo the last thing that I did here, like this, and cut exactly where you pinched. Now take your new color, okay, take your new color, and for this particular knot I have a tutorial. You will find it at the end of this tutorial in another end card clickable, so just click on it and you will go directly on that tutorial and you will see perfectly how to make this knot. I don't want to waste time here with this one, but that's it. Okay, so I have the new color on. I will repeat chain 1 and double crochet. Okay, try to put the knot on the back of your work. Okay, to begin a new round, you will chain 1, insert hook here into these 2, okay, and we will just insert hook to this one. This is my first double crochet. Okay, now for the second, only in this round I will work it here, 1 2 and 3. Okay, this is the corner, and chain 1, skip the 3 and work the corner. The second round, it's exactly again as for the granny square. Chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the corner, chain 1 to skip the side and continue on. So it's exactly the same. The first and the second rounds are the same as for the classic granny square. Don't have to worry about. From the third we will go and work our slanted granny, and it looks fabulous just with a small change, really small little change. Okay, so I am already in. I will complete my first corner with the 3 double crochets, and as I told you before, chain 1, it's here into the double crochet that I want to insert hook and to work my double crochet. So this is my first double crochet. Okay, pinch and undo. You can work with any kind of changing color. This is my way. If you don't like it, you don't have to try it or to work with it. Anyway, this is the way. So from when I've seen this one and learned it, for me was the, how can I say, the perfect knot. Okay, the perfect knot. I will do this again. Okay, so from this third round we will work like this, and just insert hook for the very first double crochet, 2 and 3. Okay, the second double crochet, I just want to work it here on the top of this, the ending double crochet. Okay, so it's here nice and long, work it nice and long, and the third again into the chain 3, so it's here. Okay, this is the first corner, chain 1, chain 1, skip this 3 and insert hook into the chain 1 space, work 1 double crochet. Now we will go, that's why it is slanted, because we go into the this round and into the double crochet of the 3 into the second, and it's here that we will work nice and long, work it, the second double crochet of the group of 3 and the third again into the round below. Okay, chain 1, and here we are again into the corner, 1 double crochet. Now open just a little bit, find the chain, and into the chain work the second. Okay, and then again into the chain 3 of the row below. This is the corner, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the chain, then you go into the row here exactly where you worked the first one, so the second one of the first group of 3, work it nice and long, and then the third again into the chain 3. Okay, so we work slanted the corner 2. Here actually I didn't work it slanted, the corner, because only here, because it was an idea that came up into my mind while working, so that's why. Okay, now I will go ahead and work again 1 double crochet into the chain 1, 1 double crochet into the second double crochet of the 3. Here I work another double crochet long, so work it nice and long. Okay, chain 1, into the corner we go with 1 double crochet into the chain 3, 1 double crochet, here we go into the chain, so would be the second of the chain 3 here, but anyway, the chain that you can go in, it's perfect, the first that you see, because it would be there, that one. Anyway, chain 3, again chain 1, double crochet 1, then you go exactly into the same chain and you work the long double crochet, and again into the chain 3 and you work the other double crochet, chain 1, and we go into the chain 1, we work 1 double crochet, the second we work it into the second of the second row below, and then the other one. Okay. Now chain 1, again into the corner, 1 double crochet, then in the middle here we go into the chain and we work 1 double crochet, long double crochet, here it is, chain 3, and again it's 1, then into the same chain space we go, second row below, double crochet. To finish the round, we will work the double crochet into the chain 3, and exactly where I work the second of this group, I will work the second of this last group. Double crochet, chain 1. You can choose to change color only in each of second round, but I highly recommend you to change color in each round because it looks fabulous. Okay, this is the third row, the round that we will continue on to repeat until the end of the granny square. So as long as you want, as large as you want it to be, of course. It's you to decide that you want to work more and to put together or only one. Okay, now that's it. Just want to begin with my first double crochet. Okay, the second I will try to work it always here in the middle. It's a little bit difficult for this first one. Okay, that's it, but you know it's not impossible. Okay, chain 1 and just double crochet into the chain 1, double crochet into the double crochet of the second row round below, and again double crochet into the round below, chain 1, same chain 1, chain 1, and the same thing, double crochet into the row below, double crochet into the second row below, into the second double crochet, and again into the row below. So we work like this. Okay, into the corner I will show you one more time, 1 double crochet, then I will search for the chain here in the middle, go into it and work 1 long double crochet, so work it nice and long, and then 1 more double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet into the chain 3, 1 double crochet 2 rows below, rounds below, exactly where you work the first one, and again into the row below the chain 3 space, work the last one. This is what we have, and this is how we will continue on. It looks fabulous and it is so easy. So just let me go ahead for a little bit and I will show you how it looks. Anyway, I already have one. Oops. Like this. Chain 1, double crochet. Now here second into the second row below, this is the chain where I want to insert my hook and to work my long double crochet. Okay, chain 3 and 1, the second one exactly into the same chain, and then again into the row below. So row below, second row below, row below. Okay, this is the idea. And just go on working like this. Row below into each chain one, row below, second row below into the second double crochet, and then row below exactly into the chain one space. Same chain one space. Let's go. One, and again one. Chain one into the chain 3 space, row below chain 3, then here it is my chain is, oops, just want to go into the chain. Okay, this is the second, and then this one, chain 3, and again one double crochet, into the same chain we go, and one more double crochet. That's it. And then chain 1, double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the second double crochet of the row, second row below, and double crochet into the same chain 1 of the row below. Chain 1, and repeat this all around on the sides, each chain 1 space. At the end, chain 1, work 1 double crochet into the chain 3 space, and then exactly where you worked the second of the first group of 3, work this one too. Okay, chain, switch to the other color. So these are the facts. These are the steps that we will need to